Hello, and welcome to my channel. In this video I will raise a popular algebraic formula, which I am sure everyone is familiar with and have used in their student lives. A plus b whole square equals a square plus twice ab plus b square. Many of us just memorized it without knowing its application. Many might not have faced the need to use it. But that does not mean this formula is not useful. In fact, the main application of this formula lies in calculus, specifically in the simplification of derivatives. While simplifying, we don't want 2ab or similar terms. We want to simplify to square or cube or to the power terms, because the derivative of x to the power n is nx to the power n minus 1. This tells us why it is important to know all of the algebraic formulas. If you find this information helpful, please do like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.